I'm Rona Vogel, founder of Vogel Consulting Group. The firm was founded in 1993 as an offshoot of discussions I had with families in my former role as a partner at Arthur Andersen, working with primarily closely held businesses and families that own them. Many of the families that I worked for talked often about their frustration in dealing with outside service providers and the complexity of having to deal with multiple providers to get answers to simple questions, the difficulty of coordinating information and analysis to usable recommendations. I thought that function that would allow families to deal with change effectively and to move forward in terms of their family growth and dynamics was a wonderful business opportunity. I took some time and interviewed and talked to a number of families in more depth and made the decision to start the firm based on the design and model that the families themselves were looking for. So our firm is structured very, very differently. We are not an offshoot of a trust company. We're not an investment management firm. We are not a single family office that decided to bring in other families. Our objective is to create a single family office in a multifamily office setting, providing them with the individual attention of a single family office, at the same time creating the efficiency and operating infrastructure of a multifamily setting. Each family has their own team of people who are fully versed in that individual family's specific issues. They understand everything from the trust documents to the estate plan to the individual tax issues that family members are dealing with, the investment objectives of the families, and the communication needs of each family member. That is critical for us to provide each family with the things they're looking for out of their family office relationship.